In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a draft email in Outlook. Saving a message as a draft is perfect when you want to start an email now and finish it later without losing your work. I'll walk you through starting the message, saving it, finding it again, and sending it when you're ready. First, open a new message. In Outlook, go to the Home tab and click New Mail. If you prefer shortcuts, press Ctrl+Shift+M, or Ctrl+M, to open a fresh message window. You'll see the Compose window appear, ready for your text and details. Next, begin composing. Type your message, add your recipients, and enter a clear subject line. If you have files to include, attach them now. Attachments are saved along with your draft. You don't need to finish everything in one sitting. Even a subject line or a few notes are enough for a draft. Think of this as a safe place to park your work in progress so nothing gets lost. Now let's save it as a draft. The quickest way is to close the message window by clicking the X in the corner. Outlook will ask if you want to save your changes. Click Yes, and your message is placed in the Drafts folder. In some setups, simply closing the window saves it automatically, but it's always a good idea to confirm the save prompt when you see it. If you'd rather keep the window open but still save your progress, use a manual save. Click the Save icon on the Quick Access toolbar at the top left of the window, or press Ctrl+S on your keyboard. Manual saving is handy if you're multitasking and want to make sure your latest edits are preserved before you switch to something else. When you're ready to find your draft, look to the folder pane on the left side of Outlook and select the Drafts folder. If you have more than one email account in Outlook, make sure you open the Drafts folder for the correct account. Your saved message will be there, ready to pick up where you left off. To send your draft, double-click it to open, finish writing, and make any final edits or attachments. When everything looks good, click Send. The message will leave drafts and move to Sent items, and your recipients will receive it just like any other email. That's it. Thanks for watching.